We Talk Football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is brought to you by Facility Security Services. Ngine legendary supporter from Tom Takababa.
Shop kunjani mfethu?
Shop verse.
Ngimnandi mfethu.
Yeah, it came here kanjani? Pirates 2 Skuphuni 0.
It was obvious mfethu. The game Pirates was obvious. Ngeke uzo chase iFerrari ngeni 1400. It's obvious the table yenzakala. Yeah. So thina sesibona kusasa iSpain ukuthi sidlala kanjani.
Yeah, iSpain konje sidlala ne-Richards Bay.
Yeah, sidlala ne-Richards Bay Spain tomorrow. Yeah, quality football. Yeah, isobela yo.
Hayi lento oyibonela. Quality football.
No, this season amatapu akhuphulile. I mean, even abafana laba bePirates bancane. You can see ukuthi from good development the Orlando Pirates mabeza ngapha beza vele sebaphekekile. So into enhle le abayenzayo yabo. Yeah.
Ekufanele siyibone nakile ikhosi abafana babuya ku development abana bethi gaxa.
Bangene bathi gaxa bakhona bona abomfundo nabo Orlando nabo Duka abomthula aba. They will rise to occasion. Yeah. Sifuna ukubona ibhola eliphezulu lesizini.
Mhlambe mawuqagela ke kusasa iSpain ne-Richards Bay uthi score sothini?
Spain izowina 2-0.
Spain 2, Richards Bay 0.
Spain 2, Richards Bay 0.
The Kingdom rises.
Kingdom rises 10 points. It's what we are chasing tomorrow.
No mfowethu njengoba ngishilo ngathi the legendary. Siyabonga ukuthi namhlanje uzongena la kithi okokuqala siyabonga mfowethu.
Danko mfowethu nomnyabo.
Usihlonipha lo.
Yeah.
We Talk Football SA.
Danko.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Danko
mfowethu.
Hayi man imessage lena sayibona. Sayibona ngale message uthi bithi. Yeah.
10 points kanjalo kanjalo.
Hayi, ushayile.
Danko mfowethu.
Ushayile siyabonga. Sure boy.